Which is better, relay or mercury? Hook. What is the fastest way to get your message across? Intro. In today's world, we are constantly bombarded with information. It can be hard to keep up with everything that is going on, and it can be even harder to get our own message across. That is why it is important to find the most effective way to communicate our ideas. In this video, we are going to compare two of the most popular communication methods, relay and mercury. We will discuss the pros and cons of each method, and we will help you decide which method is right for you. Body. What is relay? Relay is a type of communication that involves passing information from one person to another. This can be done in a variety of ways, such as face-to-face, over the phone, or through email. Pros of relay. Relay is a very reliable method of communication. Relay is a very personal method of communication. Relay can be used to build relationships. Relay can be used to share complex information. Cons of relay. Relay can be time-consuming. Relay can be expensive. Relay can be difficult to scale. What is mercury? Mercury is a type of communication that involves sending information electronically. This can be done through email, text messaging, or social media. Pros of mercury. Mercury is a very fast method of communication. Mercury is a very inexpensive method of communication. Mercury can be used to reach a large audience. Mercury can be used to share simple information. Cons of mercury. Mercury can be impersonal. Mercury can be difficult to track. Mercury can be spammed. Which is better, relay or mercury? The best method of communication for you will depend on your individual needs. If you need to communicate with a specific person or group of people, relay may be the better option. If you need to reach a large audience quickly and inexpensively, mercury may be the better option. Here are some additional factors to consider when making your decision. The complexity of your message. The urgency of your message. The sensitivity of your message. The cost of your message. The reach of your message. Conclusion. Relay and mercury are both effective methods of communication. The best method for you will depend on your individual needs. Call to action. If you are not sure which method of communication is right for you, I encourage you to do some research and experiment with different methods. Outro. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you decide which method of communication is right for you. Additional tips. Use a variety of communication methods to reach your audience. Tailor your message to your audience. Be clear and concise. Use visuals to help your audience understand your message. Be patient. It may take some time to see results from your communication efforts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.